Welcome back to Game Channel.
Welcome back. We're preparing for imminent death.
Yep. Two at the same time, though?
Yeah, no, I think we just need to, not trigger them both. That was my bad.
Yeah. I mean, we were doing okay, actually. Like, for a while. And I was like, Sheva just had to reload. All of a sudden.
It's almost like there was a sniper rifle that doesn't have a bolt action on that you could use.
Yeah.
I almost feel like that one might be a little better for this situation.
The Dragunov? Too bad I sold it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So, I'll take care of these losers. All right, so that's not one of those.
While not good, is okay.
Yeah. It's not a chainsaw dude.
I punched him so hard he exploded. You all saw it. Chris Redfield.
I didn't.
Explosive fist. You'll see
Fists
it
of
when
explosion.
you'll see it when you watch the capture.
I will. Maybe.
I'll remind you. I'll text you and be like, Nate, remember to watch that scene where I punched that guy and he exploded.
Okay.
All right. So.
What is this? This is gold. So, remember to only trigger one chainsaw dude at a time this time.
So here's what I think we should do. I'll go over there this time. So follow me.
We'll do this one, because then when you take the hand off the door is when it. Why am I? All right, hold on a second. All right, you go over there.
Yeah.
'Cause you have a shotgun.
I do. Oh, I also have the Magnum.
Hold up, let me walk over there.
No, don't
Like
walk
to the other side.
No, stay up here.
Why?
Shoot him with the sniper rifle.
From that distance?
Yeah. Well, it's a sniper rifle. Do you feel?
Okay.
Are you good?
Yeah, we got this.
Are you sure?
Go.
You think you can hit him?
Yeah, I can hit him.
Okay. Well, if you want.
Hold up. Let me get that guy first. This was a guy shooting at you.
I got him.
I thought there was a guy shooting at you.
There is.
I don't see him.
I got him.
Alright, you did?
Yeah.
Alright,
All right.
go for it.
Okay.
Hold up. Before you do anything.
Okay. No. Hold on.
Let me get this back.
No, I want to see something real quick.
No, so this way I have a better
Well-
shot.
Okay.
Alright. Go ahead and finish it up.
Okay.
Because, like, it was in my way. So, I didn't want to, hit the metal. Alright, so then when you pull that lever on that door, he walks out.
Okay.
Jumps down from there. Nice, go. You didn't even need me.
What?
Just,
This whole sequence?
I just like, it just takes so long to reload it. Alright, he's coming up here. I think he's coming for me.
He is actually.
Alright, I got him. This is going for you.
He is.
He's going for you. You come back this way. Go. Alright, is he targeting you?
Yes, but I tricked him.
You can jump.
He's got ups. He didn't skip out on leg day.
Alright, lead him towards me. He should run on.
Punch him!
Get out of there. Alright, lead him towards me.
Oh, he's Nate. Run.
Oh, nice shot. He's targeting you. Alright, cool.
He's gonna jump down this side.
Lead him towards me. In whichever direction. Or go up there.
No, hold on. Hold on. See ya.
Come towards me.
I'm going to. I'm just waiting for him to jump down. Sucker. Haha.
This is going pretty well.
Yes. Strategy.
He's gonna come down on this side, isn't he?
No, no.
You're gonna,
Yeah, I'm
you're
gonna
fake him out again?
Yes.
Alright.
What a noob.
Move there.
Go.
I missed. Alright.
Oh, jeez.
Go.
I'm not gonna get there.
Where you
Feeling he's chasing me.
are. He is chasing you. Alright, go. Get on the zip line.
That sucks for you. No. I went back.
Alright, so I'll just get out my way. Here he comes. Not gonna miss this time. Alright, let me reload.
Alright.
Alright. Woo! That was an adventure.
I don't think we need to kill them both.
I think you just have to
Yeah. I think,
activate the other one.
yeah, I think so. At least I hope so, Nate. I really hope so.
I mean, we did it. It just took a
Yeah.
while.
Yeah, I know. Ugh. I have 4 rounds with the Magnum left and 3 with the shotgun.
Well, crap.
Yeah.
Should you get this guy?
Okay.
Where does he come out of?
I
I think he comes out.
don't know.
We'll find out.
Mm-hmm.
That was an adventure.
Mm-hmm.
There he is. Oh, he has to go down there 1st?
Mm-hmm. Nate?
Where's he gonna come up? He's gonna come up right.
Mm-hmm.
No, he's going for you.
No, I think we can just run now.
Yeah, we can. I'm across.
Okay.
Oh crap. I mean, ow.
I don't want to do this part again.
There's a bunch of shotgun shells and crap over here. So pick them up quick.
Can we go?
Go. Just go.
Okay.
Come on.
Yeah! I didn't get any of the ammo, but that's okay.
Woo!
just leave. Just go. It's not worth it, man.
Get out of here. Wow.
Dude had the chainsaw.
Oh.
No, I hope it's not boss time.
Cover me while I disable the elevator's lock.
That's Josh. Also, if you have any first aid spray, would be helpful.
I'll let you know.
I have a machine gun. What am I doing?
Okay, hold on. What do you need? First aid?
Alright. We did it. Woo! That wasn't too bad.
No, I don't like the chainsaw guys.
Yes, that was very annoying. More guys coming.
Of course. Why is there not more guys coming?
Nice.
Got him. Na na na, I'm looking for people to hit with a stun stick.
I feel like the sun stick just breaks this part.
I would agree with you. Oh, that's a big guy.
Some shotguns over here, by the way.
Alright.
Ah, dang it.
There.
No, I need the shotgun shells.
On the elevator. Move.
Yeah. Ah! Shoveled!
Ow. Punched. You on the elevator?
Yeah.
Come on!
Come on! We're waiting for you!
I have to move into a very specific spot.
Move. Move.
Wish these levels didn't feel so long.
I really hope that character that's never seen or mentioned in Resident Evil franchise history again lives.
What, Josh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Down here.
Oh. You have to go up to go down.
It's really deep, Nate. Coming after you.
This stun rod,
Pretty darn good.
pretty darn awesome.
Damn it. Is everything locked down?
Yeah, most
Yeah.
likely. It
It's a
looks
video
like
game,
that.
dude.
Welcome to video game logic.
Welcome to Sweet Tarts. They're delicious.
It's locked.
This is going to be a pain in the ass. But I will see what I can do.
Okay, Joshua. Oh, come on.
Oh, good!
Ah, no! Not this shit again. You two, engage those hostiles.
Oh, good. Oh, good. Where are we supposed to go exactly?
There we go.
Okay, got it.
So, go?
Yeah, just leave.
Is that the end of the level?
I hope so.
I really hope so.
Oh.
Nope. Okay. No?
All
We
right.
got this.
Guess we'll never find out what happened to what's his face.
I think he's with us.
Nope.
Come on.
Was that the end of the level?
This level's too long.
Was that the end of the level? I think it was the end of the level. Hold on. Hold on. Nope.
Nope.
Come on!
I just want to end this level.
Oh wait, let's go this way. No, wait, do we have to go this way?
I just want to be done with this level.
I know, Nate. I know.
I don't know where you are.
I'm on a different side of the pier.
Alright, is this the end of the level? It's a boat. It's multiple boats.
No, we have to go to this one. I remember this part.
You have to fight something.
Yep. You fight the next boss on this boat.
Can we just be done, please?
No, we're gonna be done.
I don't, like,
We're going to be done.
in how long?
That long?
Is it over now?
We got to the boat.
So now we fight a boss or something?
Whoa, we had to go to the boat.
Wait, do we have like a time limit to get
Yeah.
to the boat?
Because the fuel rig, the oil rig's exploding. Hey, bro. Don't go down there.
These guys aren't making this easy.
Ow.
Hurry up, you two.
There wasn't something there before.
I know.
I'm dead.
They're not. Got you.
Let's do this.
Get over here.
Hey, he's alive.
All right, are we here? Is this it? Is this the end here?
Yeah, I think it was the end.
Ugh.
I know we don't have to we don't have to do anything on that boat except fight a boss.
Are you alright?
All right, you know what? Skip this. Okay, next time on Game Channel. Gosh, that was too long. Next time on Game Channel, we'll do something. That was like 16 minutes.
Yeah, we did it.
Bleh. All right, next time on Game Channel.
Next time in Game Channel, you can view Sheva Al-Omar in the file library.